Comesa Business Council and High People proudly present the 40 Days 40 FinTechs Initiative, a game-changing platform under the Include Everyone program, spotlighting the innovative technologies that are shaping the future of financial inclusivity across Africa. As part of our expansion across the entire Comesa region, we are bringing the 40 Days 40 FinTechs to Zambia and Malawi. This edition is all about highlighting the trailblazers using financial technology to break down digital barriers and empower lives across Zambia and Malawi.
I am Gehazi Jenda. I am a senior software developer at iMoSyS. iMoSyS is an ICT solutions provider from Malawi, but our solutions reach across the SADC region and beyond. We leverage software and hardware to build solutions, and we have over 15 years of expertise in this area. So in terms of FinTech, we have at least two products. We've got one called Alunda and another called iTap. So for Alunda, this is a platform where we connect service providers to their potential customers. So it acts as an e-commerce hub, essentially, which allows service providers from different businesses to find a market where they can connect to their customers, and also provide them a way of accepting payments using mobile wallets, but also Visa. In order to access Alunda, you can go to www.alunda.mw. This will take you to a website which has the links as well, the download links for the application for both Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. For service providers who want to join our platform, they can also go to www.alunda.mw to register as a service provider. We require you to go through a certain KYB process, know your business process, so that we can verify your information and add you to the platform so that you can also enjoy the benefits of the over 70,000 users we already have. And for iTap, this is essentially, think of it as an ATM that dispenses water instead of money. So this one is for low income places, areas without access to clean water. So we work with water utility companies to provide a kiosk, which is an ATM which dispenses water. We give the families within these communities a card which they can use, top up using mobile money, but also use to dispense water, clean water, whenever they want, whenever they need. So it allows those households to access clean water when they didn't have access to it in a cashless manner as well. So over the 15 years, our FinTech branch has been operational for about 5 years now, in 2025. For iTap, it's in multiple countries. So it's in Malawi, but also Uganda. Recently, we also launched some kiosks in Uganda. And as a total, we've served over close to 500,000 people in communities. We've built about 500 kiosks within these countries. Transactional wise, we have millions of transactions happening through that. For Alunda, we currently have about 70,000 users. And as I mentioned previously, it's a platform for service providers to find customers. We have currently 1,500 service providers using our platform and getting business from this platform as well. For our country, within Malawi at least, we have quite low smartphone penetration. And that has been stopping us from growing as much as we've wanted to with this particular platform. Aside from that, we also have low digital and financial literacy. So even having transactions, trusting to pay through Alunda, or for example, that they pay through mobile money and it will be acted to their card and they can get water, it takes quite a bit of an effort to be able to get people to actually trust the services. So there is some form of digital literacy lacking in that area. So we have low smartphone penetration, we have that lack of financial literacy as well. I think those are some of the main challenges we've been facing. So in order to make FinTech thrive in Malawi, I think that's also one of the things that we've also noticed is a lot of low-income households have feature phones, right? So any initiatives that come need to accommodate that aspect of it. They need to accommodate people who use, let's say, only feature phones. They need to also be affordable and be able to facilitate connections and transactions between either businesses or users in an affordable manner, but also in an accessible manner, considering the kind of ecosystem that we're living in our country.
This financial inclusion revolution is presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Infitex, Cyber PLC Academy, and the Moduloop Foundation, with generous support from the Getz Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 FinTechs and hashtag Level 1 Project and be part of building a brighter financial future for all.